Section 6. Gear up for success. Essential cycling equipment. Having the right gear can significantly enhance your cycling experience and ensure your safety on the road or trail. Whether you're a casual rider or a seasoned cyclist, the right equipment can make all the difference. Bike. Choosing the right bike is crucial. You need to select a bike that suits your riding style and the terrain you'll be navigating. This decision will impact your comfort, efficiency, and overall enjoyment. Road bikes are designed for speed and efficiency on paved roads. They are lightweight and have thin tires, making them perfect for long-distance rides and commuting. Mountain bikes, on the other hand, are built for off-road adventures. They have sturdy frames and wide, knobby tires to handle rough terrain, making them ideal for trails and rugged paths. Hybrid bikes offer versatility for both paved and unpaved surfaces. They combine features of road and mountain bikes, providing a balanced option for those who enjoy varied riding conditions. Helmet. A helmet is non-negotiable for any cyclist. It is the most critical piece of safety equipment you can wear. It protects your head in case of an accident, reducing the risk of serious injury. Look for helmets that meet safety standards and fit snugly on your head. Shorts provide cushioning for longer rides, reducing discomfort and preventing chafing. They are designed to enhance your comfort, especially on extended journeys. Investing in the right gear ensures a safe, comfortable, and enjoyable cycling experience. From the bike you choose to the clothing you wear, each piece of equipment plays a vital role in your overall cycling adventure. So gear up, stay safe, and enjoy the ride. Section 7. Cycling safety. Protecting yourself on the road. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just starting out, it's crucial to understand how to protect yourself while riding. Safety is paramount when cycling, especially outdoors. The open road can be unpredictable, and taking the right precautions can make all the difference. Follow these tips to stay safe on the road. They are simple, yet effective measures that can significantly reduce your risk of accidents. Follow traffic rules. Obey all traffic signals, signs, and laws. This not only keeps you safe, but also ensures that motorists can predict your actions. Be visible. Wear bright clothing and use bike lights, especially in low-light conditions. Visibility is key to ensuring that drivers and other road users can see you. Signal your intentions. Use hand signals to communicate your turns and stops to motorists. Clear communication can prevent misunderstandings and accidents. Be aware of your surroundings. Stay alert and anticipate potential hazards on the road. This includes watching out for pedestrians, other cyclists, and unexpected obstacles. By prioritizing safety, you can enjoy the benefits of cycling while minimizing risks. Remember, a safe ride is a fun ride. Always take the time to prepare and stay vigilant. Section 8. The open road awaits. Embrace the joy of cycling. Joy in the journey and embrace the numerous health benefits it provides. Hop on a bike and experience the transformative power of cycling.